say, fucking immigrants. I'm like, mate, tell them it. Thank you. Alright, this is another one, number 2. I wrote it down. Alright, yeah, actually this is a really good one. This happened to me yesterday, true story. I'm a bartender, part-time, so, you know, I talk to people and they always get a laugh at my accent or whatever. So, there's this Jewish guy sitting in a corner, and he's like, sir, can you give me a drink? I'm like, sure, mate. What can I do for you? He's like, say it again. I'm like, mate, what can I do for you? He's like, oh my God, you're English. I'm like, yeah, I'm English. He's like, you know what, it's weird, because if you're a normal black person, I wouldn't give a shit. But since you're since you're English, I actually care. Give me a double shot of Jack and Daniels. Alright, there we go. Take me $4, which was actually really good. And that was good. Alright, so alright, now I'm really gonna get to the jokes I normally do and be kind. Alright, so I talk to my dad almost every day, and he calls me early in the morning, and he always complains how much he hates life. Shit for him. He said, son, I hate life and all the cunts are in it. I said, oh, Dad. Why do you say that? What about my mom, your mother, and my sister? He said, well, son, let me tell you. One fuck me, one bird me, and one takes money from me. So, fuck them all. This is the last joke yet. I got another one that I was with this girl recently. She's such a liar. That's what she is. She always tells me like how I'm the biggest guy she's been. So, right, black too, so you know, it's true. And so we're in there. We just got finished shagging, and she took a shower, and I started running through things. I have trust issues. And while I'm looking at her shit, and then I open up the top drawer and I see a large dildo, and it says Leon on the side. So, and you know, it's obviously bigger than me. And she gets out of the shower and I'm like, what the fuck is this? And I do that. She's like, whoa, my God, so you looked at my shit? I'm like, yeah, but, you know? Well, she told me, I said, listen, you have a choice. It's either he goes or I go. Notice that I give him a name and it's Carl, whatever. But anyway, clearly she chose me. But me and Leon have pretty good weekends together. Okay. There's Mars,